Good morning, scholars. Today we're going to talk about homophones your and your. Do you remember what a homophone is? We saw it last week. The homophones we saw were are and are, there, and there. Now I know that you remember. So let's go over our slide. First thing you're going to do is watch your video. And after that, we'll go, let's go back. There. Okay, so the cue for today is we will remember what a homophone is. We'll go over the definition. This is how we're going to remember, and we'll understand the difference between the homophones your and your, and I will practice using your and your. Why is it important? It is important to know the difference between your and your so that you know the spelling when you're writing them and understand what the text is saying. Okay, so let's go over what is a homophone. Homophone are words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. Remember the example of sun, the boy, sun with an O, and sun with a U that represents the sun that shines in the sky. Okay? So the sentences we used were my son with an O goes to school in California. And in the second example, it was sun with a U. The bright sun shines over the ocean. Now we'll go over what your and your mean. Your, with this spelling, Y-O-U-R, it's saying your pizza. You own it. You own the pizza. It is yours, okay? This is your pizza. You use this your. If you're talking about your with the apostrophe, your equals you are. In this case, you're saying that you are a pizza. Are you a pizza? No. So you should be using your. Now let's go and practice. In your slide, you will type here your answer. You have to choose between your and your for each sentence. For example, do you think you're going to finish that? Which of these two do you have to type here? A trick that I want to give you is this your. If you don't remember which one it is, this one that has the apostrophe, remember we can put an A up here and it becomes you are. So now read the sentence. Do you think you're going to finish that? No, it doesn't sound right. Do you think you are going to finish that? Now it makes sense. So you're going to write your, this is the correct spelling. And that's what you're going to do with each sentence. Have fun practicing and don't forget to submit it, okay? So the last thing we're going to do is to review our lesson of today. What? We will remember what a homophone is. Yes, we went over the definition of a homophone. We will understand the difference between the homophones your and your. We went over the anchor chart of the pizza. So now you know if you're a pizza or you own a pizza. And at the end, you practice using your and your. And why is this important to know? Because then you'll know how to spell them. Have a great day.